In today's video, I want to discuss how to convert a data frame in R to a CSV. So I'm not the greatest at remembering how to do like a path, depending on what the path is. I have a little bit of trouble because I use Windows and Unix and it just gets complicated. First, what I like to do is to define the path. So I'm going to define the path for my documents. So I have here my documents path. I'm going to set it up so that it goes to my documents. So I'm going to do file.path and then capital SYS dot get env user profile. So that's my user here on this computer. Comma documents, which is where we're going to save it. And then df.csv, where df is the name of my data frame. So here you can see I have my document set here. I have like a variable for it now. Now I'm actually going to create the file and it's going to save it to the my documents path that I created above. So I'm going to do write.csv df for the data frame that I'm working with, and the path for my documents, which I named my documents path. Then I'm going to do row.names equals false. And when I hit enter, it's going to write that CSV to my documents. I need to do row.names. And then we can execute this. And voila, I've created the CSV called df.csv in my document. And that's how you create a CSV file from your R data frame. I hope this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching.